Part 3 of our sod renovation here down in the Cherry Grove section of North Myrtle Beach. As I said before, we're putting in St. Augustine sod in this lawn because it's much better suited for these shady sides in the back of the house. But you can see right here, as I get wet by the sprinkler, that we've got everything completed. We've got our beds all cut in nicely. We've cleaned up, and we've got some really good looking sod here. I've got the irrigation on right now, getting it nice and wet. This time of year, which is right now towards the end of May, it's really hot, and it's unusually hot this year and unusually dry. So this is the most important thing for aftercare for your sod, is to make sure that it gets enough water. With these kind of temperatures, which have been close to 100 degrees, maybe even more with the heat index, your sod could die within a matter of hours or days if it's not watered properly. So right now I have this lawn watering 3 times a day, and usually 2 or 3 times a day is enough, but you just kind of have to monitor it. And if you see any kind of brown or anything coming through the sod, or any kind of brown coloration, you need to increase your watering. Go ahead and show you the front. Only thing we have left to do is haul off the extra sod and haul off the debris from removing the old lawn. But you can see everything's installed, our irrigation's working. We've rolled out our sod so it's nice and flat, and the roots have good adhesion to the ground. And this is going to be a really nice lawn. As long as we keep this thing watered sufficiently, it should get established in the next couple months, and we'll be able to back off that watering. But for right now, you can see St. Augustine's a really good looking grass, and this stuff's going to do real well in these conditions.